Ladies and gentlemen, referee Herb Dean has called a stop to this contest at 1 minute, 40 seconds of round number 2, declaring the winner by submission due to a rear naked choke, Mickey Gall. All right, I'm here with your winner, Mickey Gall. Mickey, another big stage for you. Give me your assessment on your performance, and I know you've got a name that you want next, as always.
Yeah, hey, they're all rear naked chokes. I do Gracie Jiu-Jitsu with David Adib at Gracie, New Jersey. If you go there, you're going to be a submission specialist. We have a whole bunch of Gracie, New Jersey problems coming up. I'm just the first one.
And who's next?
I hear, first thing is, I think I'm going to drop down to 155. I'm a little young in the tooth for 170. I think I'll go down there. I'm the champion in a couple years. I'd like to welcome back Dan Hardy. If he's coming back, he says he wants to come back for a marquee fight. I think I'm a marquee fight right now. I'd be honored to fight him. He's a legend. I'm a big fan. I'd love to fight Dan Hardy.
There you have it. There you have it, folks.
Jersey, baby, what's up? OG Ability Stretch Squad. Jersey, baby, what's up?
Mickey Gall, ladies and gentlemen.